you wish to secure your loved one's future, then you should be prudent in choosing the avenues to grow your savings. Meanwhile, a life insurance policy can be a guard to protect your loved ones in your absence. Considering these aspects, Shriram Life Insurance is offering you Shriram Life Wealth Pro, a unit-linked insurance plan that protects your loved ones and also helps your investments grow. In this video, let us analyze Shriram Life Wealth Pro plan in detail to find out whether this plan suits you. This review analysis helps you in understanding the workings of ULIP plans. Welcome to holisticinvestment.in. Shriram Life Wealth Pro is a unit-linked insurance plan. It offers both savings and protection under a single plan. The main features are choice of policy term from 10 to 30 years, 2 cover options to choose from, and option to customize the choice of cover level within each cover option, multiple fund option and investment strategies to choose from, additional protection through riders, settlement option available with maturity or death benefit to tackle market volatility during redemption. Next, we shall look at the plan benefits in detail. First, death benefit. Under option 1, sum assured along with top-up sum assured, top-up premium fund value and base premium fund value will be paid to the nominee, then the policy will be terminated. Under option 2, higher of sum assured or base premium fund value plus higher of top-up sum assured or top-up premium fund value. Maturity benefit, the total fund value will be payable. Next, we shall look at the fund options and investment strategies under Shriram Life Wealth Pro plan. The policy holder has the option to choose any one of the following funds or a combination of funds in a fixed percentage. The asset allocation varies in each fund option and the risk profile depends on the underlying asset. Choose a fund option that correlates with your risk profile. Auto transfer strategy. This option allows you to invest the premium in a low risk fund preserver and gradually transfer the money into your chosen investment portfolio. Policy holder can either choose a 6 or 12-month auto transfer option to invest regular premiums. Next, various charges under Shriram Life Wealth Pro plan. Premium allocation charge. This charge depends on the premium size and will apply only on the premiums of first 5 years. Policy administration charge. This charge is expressed as a percentage of annualized premium. It depends on your premium band and policy year. It ranges between 0.1% and 0.36%. Mortality charges. They are levied based on the sum at risk, which is equal to death benefit less the total fund value. Fund management charges. It depends on the fund chosen. It ranges between 1.25% and 1.35%. Discontinuance charge. It depends on the year of discontinuance and the premium amount. Partial withdrawal charge. Only one partial withdrawal is allowed free of charge during the policy term. For every subsequent partial withdrawal, rupees 250 will be levied. There is no switching charge, premium direction charge, and alteration charges. Top-up charge, 2% of the top-up premium will be levied. Inference from the charges. The plan levies numerous charges as discussed here. The premium is invested after the deduction of aforesaid charges. You may not be aware of the impact of these charges on your investment. This will affect your returns in the long run. Next, we shall discuss the advantages and disadvantages of Shriram Life Wealth Pro plan. Advantages: return of premium allocation charge. Wealth boosters are guaranteed every 5 years. Option to increase or decrease policy term, premium paying term. Option to decrease sum assured and premium. Top-up premium is allowed. Unlimited switching, premium redirection and auto transfer option at free of cost. Disadvantages: only one free partial withdrawal is allowed in a policy year and thereafter charges will apply. No loans are guaranteed under the policy. The plan does not offer any liquidity during the first 5 years. Here is our final verdict on Shriram Life Wealth Pro plan. The plan allows you to invest your savings in the market. Throughout the policy term, you get a life cover and the fund value is payable at maturity. The minimum policy term is 10 years, which means this is a long-term investment. To favor the long-term investor, the investment return must beat the inflation rate in the long run. But Shriram Life Wealth Pro fails to do so. The hefty charge is the hindrance that affects your potential return. Analyzing the plan reveals that the potential return from this plan would not be higher than the inflation rate. Also, the sum assured is too low. So, So, investing in Shriram Life Wealth Pro is not favorable for an investor. To get better risk adjusted returns, it is wise to invest in other market related products where there is transparency in investing. Apart from that, have a pure term life cover. This way, you can tackle all your future uncertainties. Never combine investment and insurance under one plan. The insurance plan should support your investment plan. Consult a certified financial planner who will draft a tailor made investment plan for you. A detailed review of Shriram Life Wealth Pro is available as a blog post in our website, and the link is given in the description. Hope you like this video. If you have any questions related to this or any other investment option or related to your financial goal, don't hesitate to book a free appointment with our financial planners. The link to the free booking is given in the description box below. Also, will you be interested to attend any insightful investment webinar? Then feel free to register for the upcoming enlightening investment webinar. It is completely free. The registration link for the upcoming webinar is also given in the description box. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up. Also, share it with your social circle. If you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel so far, please subscribe now.